Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. And this is the day 3 of SQL series. And this is the third problem. Problem number 182 of Leetcode, duplicate emails. And it is the problem with easy difficulty level. Let's see the problem statement. Here, the table name is person and it has two columns, ID and email. Okay. Here, ID is the primary key, that is column with unique values. For this table, you can see each row of the table contains an email. The email will not contain uppercase letters. Okay, then what's the problem? Write a solution to report all the duplicate emails. We have to report all the emails that are duplicate. Note that it's guaranteed that the email field is not null. Okay, so email field is also not null. So it has value. Now return the result table in any order. Okay, and you can see the example is given here. Here is ID and email column. It has all the values. So email column is not null. The ID column is a primary key, so it has unique values. Now we have to return in this format email. So this email is duplicate. Why? Because it occurred two times. So let's see how we can solve this problem. So for solving this problem, I'm going to start. Let's select the data table. Okay, from which table? It's a person table as P. Now how we know if email is duplicate or not? If any email is duplicate, it has occurred multiple times, right? So what if we group by with the name email? So if we group by with the name email, you can imagine this scenario. So a@b.com comes two times. So if I take the count, so count of a@b.com will comes two, and other emails count will come once, one, right? For that, I know the count whose count is greater than one, it's obviously a duplicate. So for that, we have to perform a group by operation. So group by, our group by should be with on email field, p dot email. Okay. Now we have done group by, but we have to find out where is the call. We have to find out from the group by or aggregated data. The aggregated data will be like this. I will show you how aggregated data will be. Just imagine this as a table, and this is the aggregated data. Okay, this is the ID column and this is the email column. So we are aggregating on the email, right? So our first email is this, whatever, a@b.com, and it occurred two times. It occurred two times. Okay, so it occurred two times like this. And our second email, that is this, c@d.com, and it occurred one time. So it occurred one time. So now I have to filter over this aggregated data. So how I will filter? Can I use where clause? No, I can't, because it's not on the base table. It's on the aggregated format of the data. So in that scenario, we have to use having clause. So I'm going to use having clause. So here, having count of distinct IDs. Okay, these IDs are different IDs are there, right? So we have to count distinct IDs, and this count should be greater than one. Now we got the email uh, that is duplicated, so we have to return it. So select, and what we have to return? We have to return it as an email. Okay, the column name is email, so p dot email as column name is email. Now this is our query. Let's try to run this query. And you can see the queries ran successfully and we got our all the values. So in this way, you can solve this problem. If you have any difficulty to understanding this, please feel free to ask the questions in the comment section below. And if you have any suggestion, please drop the suggestion in the same comment section below. We will see you in the next video. Till then, keep growing, keep learning.